Hello there, welcome back. In this video I will talk about what is request and how it works. I clicked on this service catalog request tab. Now I will click on new. Let's see what other option we have for request. So document, production service, office, peripherals, mobile, desktop, software, hardware. In this particular request I will talk about the software request. All right, so I'll click on software. User is called you and is stating that I need Adobe Reader. Okay, so click on software. Now this is the Adobe Acrobat 9 standard. All right, there is bunch of application which is available inside software request, but in this particular video I will talk this Acrobat example. All right, I'll click on Adobe Acrobat. I will click on order now. That's it. You can open this one and requested for, it took my name. I need to select the person who need this application and ref. I will click on update. So now it went to the waiting for approval. So once users manager will approve this request, user will get the license of the Adobe Acrobat. That's it. This is very simple. So once you go into the service catalog, you will get this kind of stuff on the screen and you can ask what exactly user needed. All right, if user is stating that I need the new laptop, you have to select hardware, which laptop user is requesting for, it's Apple or it's a normal Windows. All right, user is saying that I do have the another project where I need to work on the Apple stuff, you have to select Apple and say order now. All right, I'll put here the requested for the person name who looking for this laptop. All right, update. So we are good to go. All right, you can just give this number to the user and ask user to check with your manager and take the approval. So once it is approved, it will go to the particular team, the concerned team, and they will purchase the Mac Pro for you and they will deliver to your home. So that's it, we are good to go. And the ticket will close by the person who provided the laptop. Okay, the team who provided the laptop to the user. So there is no need to send this ticket, this request to anywhere. It will goes to automatic with the concerned team who would be take care of this purchasing stuff. So we are good. Let's see you in next video. Thank you.